Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, find the highest altitude. So there is a biker going on a road trip. The road trip consists of n plus 1 points at different altitude. The biker starts his trip on point 0 with altitude equals 0. So you are given an integer array gain over length n, where gain I is a net gain in altitude between points I and I plus 1 for all 0 greater than equal I less than n. So return the highest altitude of a point. So let's see the example. So you are given this input array, output is 1. So yeah, this is a simple question. Just we added every single number and then keep the highest altitude at some point. So in the case, the highest is 1. Okay, so let's write the code. This is a very easy question. So as I explained earlier, all we have to do is every time we add a current number and keep highest altitude at some point. So first of all, we initialize like a current, and this spiker start 0. And so current highest should be current, so that means 0. And then start looping for altitude in gain, and every time add altitude to current, and then compare highest equal max and the current highest versus current total. So yeah, actually that's it, and then return highest. That's it. So let me submit it. So it looks good, and the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, where n is the length of input list gain. So this is because this solution code iterates through elements of gain list once in a for loop, so performing the constant amount of operation for each element. So that's why order of n. So space complexity is O1. So we don't use an extra data structure, just a simple variable, current and the highest. So that's why space complexity should be order of 1. Yeah, so that's it. I hope this video helps you understand this question well. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.